Welcome back, you gorgeous weirdos. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm so glad you're here. So you all know, if you've been here for a minute, you know that I have been a huge fan of Modelones for literally years, and this is so freaking cute. I cannot stand it. So this is the mini Salon. It comes with practically everything that you need to do your own gel polish manicure at home. And that's what we're going to do today. It's going to be kind of a your nails but better. Very minimalistic, very demure, very cutesy, very mindful. Anyways, this is what you're going to get in this mini Salon kit. And I have a super exclusive discount code. So exclusive that I can't tell you what it is or post it in this video. If you want to pick up this kit and you want an insane discount on it, you're going to have to message me. You can either message me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or you can shoot me an email. All my contacts will be linked down below. So if you want this, jump on it because very limited supplies and my code is only for a handful of people. So you can pause the video and go do that now if you want. This is what it comes with. It comes with all your prep stuff. It comes with remover pads. It does come with the remover, which you can use for gel, for dip, for regular nail polish. It came with these adorable little 3D stickers, which we're going to use later on in the video. And it came with 4 colors and your base and your top coat. It also came with this handy dandy QR code that you can scan if you want a full detailed tutorial. Of course, you're going to have your instructions. It also comes with a nail lamp. Now, mind you, this nail lamp is mini. I don't know the exact wattage. I think it has 6, maybe 8 lights on it. So this is great for flash curing. Of course, if you want to fully cure your gel nails, you're going to need a full-size lamp. But this is so freaking cute. Look at this thing. You're going to see me use it in today's video. It's so handy-dandy. If you're a Gel X girly, this is going to be great for you. So let's get into the meat and potatoes of what this really is, and that's the colors. So here's your base, your top. Here are the 4 colors. There are different color options. This is just so incredibly beautiful, so delicate. They're very neutral, very demure and mindful and cutesy. I cannot with that trend. Anyways, base and top. These bottles, though, are so unbelievably beautiful. Can you even? I'll get into the colors. I'll let you see all the colors that come in this little mini Salon. I'm going to pick one eventually, and we're going to get this on the nails. Okay, so let's finally get into nails. All right, I'm going to start with the base coat. I'm going to apply this to 4 out of the 5. I always do my thumbnails separate just because I feel like that can lay sideways while it's curing and potentially leak into your sidewall. So thumb I always do separate. I'll do that off camera after everything else is said and done. But we're going to do base coat on all 4 nails. The brush on this base coat, and it's the same brush for the top coat and for the polishes. It's so damn good. I swear everybody that creates polish in any way, shape, or form should use brushes like this. This brush makes the application so easy. You can get right in there into your cuticle area without flooding, without it getting all weird. It's just, I'm shooketh over these brushes, and they made application so quick and so easy. I'm going to leave most of this whole video in real time. This was one of the fastest and easiest gel manicures I think I've ever done in my whole entire life. And wait till you see the color that I chose. Okay, so you probably already saw the thumbnail, so you know what color I chose. But if you haven't, comment down below and let me know which color you think I chose. It was difficult. It was a difficult decision to figure out what I wanted to do. And in the end, as I mentioned earlier in the video, I really wanted to keep this super duper simple and just do a 1 color gel manicure. I'm going to go ahead and cure these. This gel lamp is on a timer. I believe it's a full minute. So went ahead, cured that, and we're going to move on to the color. I went with the Forever Classic, and again, I really wanted to do my nails but better and just give it a little extra oomph, and this color is so freaking pretty. Okay, I'm going to do 3 coats, and you don't have to. I was going to stop at 2, but I really wanted to see what 3 would give, and I think that 3 is the perfect amount of coverage. and pink. It's got a slight, ever so delicate hint of pink to this, but not enough to be like, oh, your nails are pink. They're just your nails, but better. That's the only way I know how to describe them. So especially for those of you who may be working in a profession where you can't really have your nails done, you can't wear colors, this would be perfect for you, just for every day. Every day, nothing nuts, nothing crazy. If you're feeling, overwhelmed by fall nails or, end of summer nails or getting back to school nails, if you're feeling overwhelmed with all the nail art and nail trends and you want just something that's super basic, super simplistic, super minimalistic, this is going to be for you. And I was so in that mood. You guys, you've seen my last few videos. They have been a little out there, a little nuts, a little crazy, a little out there. So this was so perfect to like cleanse my palette, get a little neutral, minimalistic Manny moment. And we're going to add the cutest sticker later. Those stickers are so stinking adorable. I cannot. So I'm going to go ahead and get this finished applied. I'm going to cure it for another minute in that little mini lamp. I am curing in my big full-size lamp also, just to make sure the gels are fully cured. You want to make sure you're always curing your gels fully, because uncured gel can lead to contact dermatitis or gel allergies. Not something you want to deal with. Also, make sure you're not getting any gel products on your skin. That can also lead to contact dermatitis and gel allergies. So definitely be mindful when you're doing your gel manicures. Any kind of manicure, really. Don't touch your skin. Nail products are for nails, not skin. Anyways, going in here with coat number 2. I'm doing this the same exact way I did coat number 1. Again, I'm putting the brush down kind of halfway in the middle of the nail, getting the bulk of the product off the brush, and then I will scoot the brush back to the cuticle area very slowly, very gently, very mindfully. Do you see where this video is going? Because I don't want to flood my cuticles or my sidewalls. So get the bulk of your gel off in the center of the nail, drag it down, then work your way back up to the cuticle area and the sidewalls. And again, the way these brushes were designed, for my nails at least, I know everyone's nails are different. My nails are my nails. They're not your nails. Your nails are not my nails. You get the point. But the way these brushes were designed make this process so seamless, flawless, easy. Like this was, I'm not a polisher. I really am not. I am not good at polishing my nails, but I feel like the way the products were designed made this so incredibly easy for someone like me who is not good with polish. If that is you, if you're that person, especially if you have trouble using your dominant hand doing your non-dominant hand doing your dominant hand, I think that's the way it goes. If you're a righty doing your left hand, still didn't work. Anyway, this is going to be great for you because of the way these products were designed. So coat number 2 is down. Here's what we're looking like. Again, this is very delicate. It's got just enough coverage, not so much that you can't still see your visible nail line, but it's got enough coverage, enough of that little tint of color to make it look like your nails, but better. But I wanted to see really what 3 coats would give. So we're going to get in with coat number 3, and this is going to be the final coat. This wound up being so perfect for my preference, but again, they're your nails. You do what you want to do with your nails. This would actually be also really great if you wanted to do a French manicure. This is a great base for a French manicure or any kind of negative space nail art. So if that's your jam, this is going to be great for you. Also, I'm going to go ahead and get the 3rd coat all over all of the nails, give it a cure, and then we're going to come back and talk about the top coat. So 3 coats was definitely perfect for my preference, but this top coat, okay, the bottle in itself worth it because the bottle is so freaking beautiful. But the top coat, it's the same beautiful Modelones formula that I literally am obsessed with. And again, same brush as the base coat, same brush as the gel polishes, which make this so incredibly easy. Now, my nails are nubs at the moment. I know I was growing my nails out. They were looking so beautiful, but I had a tragedy and it made me angry, and I punished the entire family for the one betrayal. So I did chop all of my nails down. It would be great if I could cap my free edge, but I don't want to risk getting gel polish on my skin. So if you can cap your free edge, please do. But if you cannot, then don't. I would rather not cap my free edge than risk getting contact dermatitis or a gel allergy. Definitely don't want that, because if I wind up with that, I can't do my nails anymore, and that would make me super sad. I mean, you could get a whole lot other bigger issues with contact dermatitis and gel allergies, but that's for another time, a different day, another video. This top coat is beautiful medium viscosity. It levels beautifully. I have zero complaints about any of these products. So after a full cure on the top coat, this is what we are looking like. And this looks gorgeous. As mentioned, I did my thumbnail off camera, but we're gonna add a little something cutesy in the way of these adorable 3D stickers. Now, these are textured because they are 3D stickers. If that bugs you, don't use them, or you can always base and top over them, and that'll take away that texture, but I don't mind it at all. So I'm going to go ahead and get this adorable little bow on one of the nails and have it be my little accent for my little accent nail. This is how easy they are to apply. I'm using just some tweezers. I'm going to get them positioned on the nail where I want them. I'm going to hold it down, release my tweezers, give it a nice firm press, and that's literally as easy as it is. And this is done. Done. Nothing else you need to do. This is the way they came out. As you can see, this color is so beautiful. That bow gives it that little extra something for a little bit of interest. I love, love, love this mini salon kit. So if you are new to doing your nails, or if you want to get into it, or even if you do them already and just need some new products to play with, I would highly recommend this mini salon. But I know the burning question y'all have that you want to know the answer to, and that is, does the remover work for gels? Now, I've used it for regular polish and it worked beautifully, but we're going to do it for the gel, and you're going to see just how easy this is. I have no peel base on this nail. None. So what you want to do to start when you're doing any kind of removal is remove that glossy top coat. It's pretty difficult for acetone to penetrate a glossy top coat, so I'm just going to go ahead and file the entire glossy top coat off. This is not a big deal. I'm using the file that Modelones sent in this kit, and I'm just going to get the shine off, and that's it. Once you have all the shine buffed off of that gel polish, all you have to do is wrap your nail up. Now, these little remover pouches, if you will, they actually come preloaded with the remover, which is so super convenient. If you also saw the video I did a million years ago about like the fast foils that I can't seem to find anymore, this is what it is. And this is my favorite way to do remover. It is no fuss, no mess. There's a little pad inside there, as you can see, and it is dampened with the acetone. There is a sticky tab on the front of this pouch. All you're going to do is remove that like protective layer, and that will allow the acetone pouch to adhere to itself, making a nice seal around the nail. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to open up this pouch, stuff my finger in there. I'm going to close up the pouch and I'm going to let it sit. I set a timer for 10 minutes, so we're going to wait 10 minutes and see what this stuff does. So it's been 10 minutes. We're going to unwrap the little pouch and we're going to see what happened. I was very pleasantly surprised upon removing the pouch to see most of that gel polish came off in the pouch, which is great. I'm going to take a little cuticle pusher and just nudge off anything else that might be loose. You do not want to force. You do not want to scrape. Like, this is all very, very gentle, zero pressure, because you don't want to damage your natural nail. So I'm just going to scrape off anything that might be a little bit loose. I'm not going to force anything off the nail. There are a couple of little pieces that could have used a little bit more time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that same exact pouch, wrap it up on the nail again, and let it sit for like 5 more minutes. That's it. 5 minutes is all it needed, and this came off so easily. I was just chilling at my nail desk. watching nail videos, because who's surprised? Yes, I watch y'all's content. If you're a content creator on YouTube and you do nail videos, I probably watch your content because, I mean, women supporting women on this platform is, we should all be doing it, let's be real. So, as you can see, everything removed absolutely beautifully. I have zero complaints. The remover worked absolutely wonderfully. The gel polishes are gorgeous. Go out and grab this kit. But before you do, make sure you message me for that insane discount code. As always, thank you to Modelones for sending over this mini salon for me to play with and for sponsoring today's video. I so appreciate you. Thank you guys for spending a little bit of your time and your day with me today. I hope the rest of your day is as beautiful as you are, and I will catch you in the next one. Love you. Bye.